Hey, Elliot, I want to make a deal with you. To buy up all your used and spare parts, you know, like a hangnail, or if you shed your skin, or if your hair falls out, I'll pay you top dollar. What's the matter with you? Don't you have any business sense? Don't you? Elliot! Elliot! He's gonna eat us up! Oh!